Phil Ebner with Videoschoolonline.com answering a quick question from one of our Photoshop courses. How do you move an entire group of layers at one time? You'll notice that I have this group that I've set up in my layer panel with the shape, a text layer, and this other background shape. And if I click on one of them and try to move it around, it just moves that layer. If I click on the group in the layer panel and I try to move it around, well, it just moves the layer that I select. What you need to change is on your Move Tool settings. If you go up here to the top left, you'll notice that it auto selects the layer. You want to choose Group. Change that to Group. Now, if we click on let's click off of our individual layer and then click back onto that layer. Now you can see that it moves everything in that group. The other way to do it if you are on the layer mode is if you select the group, you can use your arrow keys to move up, down, left, right, shift, and then use the arrow keys to jump it around a little bit more. You can shift click multiple layers for your entire group and then use the move tool while still on the layer selection to move the whole thing, but that's not a very efficient way to do it because you want to click the group once and move it all. So remember that setting up in the move tool, auto select group, not layer. Cheers, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.